start with a chapter whose name is The Negress. So before we start, let me give you introduction about the characters. So there are total 3 characters in this chapter. Number 1, that is the Mrs. Forestier. Mrs. Forestier is a rich lady, and the other 2 characters are Mr. and Mrs. Loisel. Now, Mr. and Mrs. Loisel belongs to a middle-class clerk family. Mr. Loisel is a clerk, and Mrs. Loisel, whose name is Matilda, she is a housewife, and she is a very pretty lady. And she has born without. She has so many aspirations and desires of being dressed up, wearing great jewels, wearing diamonds, gold. But as she belongs to a middle class family, her husband could not fulfill all of her wishes. So she always feels sense of grudge and sense of dissatisfaction from her husband. So once, let's start with the story now. So what happened once is Mr. Loisel comes home with great excitement as he got an invitation of going to minister's house. Minister's house for a ball party. Now in ball party, people wear good gown, good jewels, and Matilda was feeling very upset. Though Loisel did not expected her reaction. He thought that she would be really happy about his success, but she was also happy about his success of achieving the chance to go to the ball party at minister's home. But she was also dissatisfied, and she felt that she was not that groomed up to attend that party. So she demanded. After seeing his wife really sad, Loisel said to Matilda that whatever she wants, he will do, and they had to go to the party. So she said that she wants a good dress, a pretty dress that she could wear to the ball, and she could dress up in it and feel pretty, and she will be satisfied by all of that. So he was convinced, and he told that whatever sum of money you want, then you had to tell me, and I'll give it to you. So Matilda told that it would cost it. The dress would cost them 400 francs. Now what happened was, Loisel is really good. He is very good with archeries. So he wants to go to shooting. So he wants to join a hunting group which his friends has joined. So Loisel told her, he had a wish to join that club, and that would cost it would need to buy a gun, and it would cost him 400 francs. But as his wife demanded 400 francs, he gave it to her, and she made a very pretty dress. And she was content. She was really content after that. But then after, she realized that she did not had any jewel to wear with the dress. Now she told that to her husband, and Loisel told her that she could wear a really good flowers, a natural jewelry, which would make her look pretty and elegant. But she was not convinced. She told him that she needs a good jewel, and they did not had any other saved money. So they were again out of satisfaction, and they were sad again. So this to complete her desire, he gave an idea that she could borrow a jewel from Forestier. I told you about Forestier. She is a rich woman. She is a rich merchant's wife, and she is a very good friend of Matilda. She is a very old friend of Matilda. So Matilda screamed with joy that, oh my god, she did not even thought about Forestier, and it was a really great idea to borrow it, and then again she will lend it, and as she is her friend, she would not cost her much. So she went to Forestier, and she chose a diamond jewelry, and and the ball night came, and she wore the pretty dress that she maid and the beautiful jewel that she had, and they went to the ball. She was looking so fabulous and so pretty that every other guy at the party asked her name and want to have a dance or want to have a chat with her. And she felt like a princess, like a queen at that night. But eventually, what happens is they are going after the ball ends, and they are going to their home, and they are asking for a cab, but they did not get a cab. And she, she was hurrying towards the home. So they were walking on the street, and then after they got a cab, and then they took a cab and went home. Then she sat in front of the mirror to look at the last glance of the elegant beauty that she created, the elegant beauty that she already is. But the more pretty, prettiness, the more good look, the more pretty that she got at that day. So she was very content by seeing herself and very content with that night. But when she saw in mirror, she suddenly she was shook because the necklace was not present. She screamed, and Loisel came. Loisel was half undressed, and he came and he asked her what was the reason why she screamed. And then they both realized that the necklace was lost. And Loisel hurriedly went outside the house, and he started searching for the necklace all over the place that they went, but he was unable to find. They also filed a complaint. They went to cab stands. They went in search of the necklace. They put their 100% in searching the necklace, but they were not successful in searching the necklace. So now they had to replace the necklace, but because Forestier, they have to return the necklace to Forestier, right? So now, in order to replace that necklace, they need to save some money, because they spent it all in the dress and the jewel. So they went to a jewel shop and they asked the cost, and its cost was 40,000 francs. Now 40,000 francs. Over there, sorry, my bad, 400,000 francs. And 400,000 francs was a very great amount for them. Okay, and it was, they saw the necklace and it was of real diamonds, and it would cost them 400,000 francs. And they gave some discount, but then too they would not be able to match the price. So again, they had to work hard. They borrowed money. They did whatever they can do to fill that amount and buy that necklace and give it to Forestier. And eventually they were successful in doing that. But as they borrowed money from many people, they had to repay money to them as well. They took loan, and in order to repay the loan, they had to work more hard and hard. So they sold their home. They gave up all their salary savings. Loisel worked day and night very vigorously. Mr. Loisel worked very vigorously. Matilda also joined a job in which she was doing many household work of rich people. She went to houses to clean dishes, to wash clothes, to do another household chores, and they were very miserable. Those 10 years passed, and those 10 years were very miserable for Mr. and Mrs. Loisel both. After 10 years, they repaid all the loans, and they were out of debt, and now they can just earn and eat. Now that was their life. They are earning and eating. They were buying least they could. They did not enjoy a bit in those 10 years. Many times Matilda sat near the window and thought about that content and pretty night that was of the ball. And Uh, then Matilda was walking in a street and she met Forestier. Matilda was looking so old. Her hair were messy, her clothes were worn out because they were out of money and they could not buy anything else in spite of repaying the debt. So they were very miserable, and she saw Forestier. Forestier was still young, still pretty, with a small kid, and she acknowledged her and went went towards her and called her and and wished her and greeted her with hi, good morning. And she did not recognize Matilda at one glance. And when she saw her properly, she recognized that it was Matilda, and she was shook with the appearance of Matilda. And she asked her the reason about her appearance, and Matilda told that she was responsible for this. Then she asked how, and Matilda told that in order to give you the diamond necklace that she borrowed, she had to repay the loan that she took from different merchants and borrowers. And in order to repay the loan, they had to work so vigorously that they could not even take care of themselves or their health or their appearance, and could not enjoy their life till 10 years. They had lost those 10 years in repaying that loan. So now Matilda and now Forestier was really upset about what her friend had to go through because of that diamond necklace. And but then Forestier told her that the diamond necklace that she borrowed was not real, that was false, and it was not costing more than 400 francs. And for that diamond necklace, they had to pay for 400,000 francs, like 1,000 times more. And this is how the life changes when the desire appears more and more. More you desire, more you need, will cost you more and more. Even your family, even your life, even your 10 years of a decade of your life. So yeah, that was all about this chapter. This chapter's name was The Necklace, and I hope you liked my video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Comment down below if there are any suggestions, and click the bell icon to for getting notified. So yeah, thank you.